Tune in and dine in every Saturday night from 6 p.m. to midnight. Whet your palate at 6 with What's Cooking Today. Eat, drink, smoke at 7. Grab a cold one with Beer Guys at 9. Take a walk through the vines at 10 with Grape Encounters, and then fill up on protein with Meat Masters at 11. It's a full lineup.
This has been a required monthly test of the emergency alert system originating from KSTO-FM, the primary emergency alert station for Guam. This was only a test.
Off at Guam, good afternoon.